YouTube channel. Today I have the fresh episode with okay, so ma'am, can you explain yourself?
Yes, sir. Sure, sure,
Okay.
sure. Thank you very much, Munib sir. You have invited me on your channel. My name is Shamal.
Okay.
I am connecting you from Mumbai, India. I'm a
Okay,
phonic
ma'am.
teacher, mother to two handsome sons, both are teenagers. I'm an enthusiastic Kathak learner. Nowadays, I have been my bonnet about learning and polishing this language. As far as my education concerned, I'm commerce graduate. I have done post-graduation diploma in international business. Then I worked for MNC for an MNC for a couple of years, but due to my family responsibilities, I had to quit. And then I did ECCA certified phonic course, and since 2018, I am running my own phonic classes. And nowadays, I am literally into it to polish my language. Some things triggered me, and if you ask me about my hobbies, I have plethora of hobbies, and nowadays, but yeah, my English hobby is really learning English is very very high. I like to dance as well. I like to listen to music, mostly 70s, 80s Hindi songs. I like to listen. And I like to watch English web series. Most of the English content, content, and watch podcast, conversational videos to polish my language. So this is pretty much about me.
It's a wonderful introduction.
Thanks a lot, sir. Would you
Okay,
introduce
ma'am.
yourself for my viewers?
Yes, ma'am, sure. Ma'am, my name is Munir and I'm from Pakistan. I have graduated in software engineering and working in software tech industry and have 3 year experience in this field. And apart from that, I run our small YouTube channel and nowadays I started working on our communication skills, especially in English speaking. So that's all from my side.
Great, 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 sir. Great. So, how has your day been so far, sir?
And then my day was going well and I have already took a 2 session and this one is
Wow,
third. Yes,
that's great. That's great. Means you're full on working for your English, right?
yes,
That's
yes,
great.
ma'am.
Sounds great. Yes. Sir, shall I ask you a few questions or would you like to ask me?
Okay, ma'am. First, you can ask me question, and then I will.
Okay. Sure, sure. So, how long have you been learning this English speaking skill or
Okay,
improving your
ma'am.
English speaking
I
skill?
have started working on this language before just 2 months ago.
Great.
Yes, and nowadays I have little bit fluent in this language.
Wow, that's great. Within 2 months, it is really good, commendable job you have done. Great,
Yes,
great.
because
Yes.
the main reason is I have graduated in software engineering and in Pakistan study system, one English subject is compulsory in each class. So my grammar is basic grammar is already a little bit good. So just I try to speak, and within 2 months I little bit fluent in this language.
Yes, yes, that's great and really very true that even in India also, I have done my schooling in Marathi medium, Marathi language. That is my mother tongue. So there also we
Okay.
started to learn from fifth class only, and then my college and everything was in English medium. So basic was literally clear, no bones about
Yes.
it. But when it comes to any language, it speaking when you want to learn to speak want to learn speaking, that time speaking will come by speaking only, and we definitely lacking of it when we
Yes.
just learn this subject and we don't learn how to speak. So we are doing the partially part, right, not the complete work on it.
Yes, ma'am. Basically, reason most of the people easily write English and sometimes they chit chat with the other one. They communicate. They can, but when come to speaking, it totally blank. So basically, the reason is your mouth muscles not trained for speaking this language. So if you are graduated, or it's not difficult for you, because you have already know about basic grammar. And if you want to become fluent in this language, just the basic grammar is compulsory, not any requirement you have mastered in grammar like that thing. If you know basic grammar, it's good for you. And you can directly working on your speaking side. You can definitely learn this language within 3 or 4 months. It's my perception.
Well said, well said. But here I want to tell you one thing, Munit sir, that though your basic grammar is clear, everything is right, but when it comes to speaking, right?
Yes,
So with basic, you can start your journey. Okay, you can start your journey, but you want to go beyond that. You want to raise bar for yourself. Then, if you learn more about it, and if you go for the good vocabulary, advanced vocabulary, and want to immerse yourself in this language, if you immerse yourself in this language, then your speaking would be really very very different as well as a wonderful, I would say, right?
yes,
But
ma'am.
as you said,
Yes,
it's true that when you want to start to speak, that time your basic grammar should be there, because grammar is really very important for each and every language to frame the sentence, right? if you
yes, ma'am.
if you do mistakes, like if you want to tell any story which happened in your past, and you're talking like it's happening now, means you're changing the tense, you're changing the time, then the context will completely change, and the person who is listening to you, that the person will have the different scenario in his mind, right? So for that matter,
Yes.
grammar is really very very useful, right? That was my.
Yes. Yeah, yeah, definitely, ma'am. So people when start this working on this language, so basically the three main parts is compulsory for learning. Like he can differentiate future, past, and like uh, future, past, and third one I forget. Like
Present, we are in
present,
present.
present, present. Sorry, present. Like
Yes,
he can differentiate these kind of sentence.
yes,
So
yes, yes.
and also try to speak like simple English. And during the time he can improve our vocabulary and move to A1 to B1 level, or B1 to C1 level. So it's
Yes,
like
yes.
path for beginner. If you directly want to learn advanced vocabulary and special idioms, so it's difficult for beginner. So and
Definitely, definitely.
yes,
Very true.
so beginner can start just speaking, and speak broken English, whatever, just speak. And apart from that, work on basic grammar. And within time he will automatically improve speaking skill.
Communication
So
skill, right,
that's my
right, right.
perception.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
definitely.
Yes.
That is also really very true, sir. But when now you have said that we have learnt already, we know the basic grammar, right? We are adults. But when it comes to
Yes.
child, right? When it comes to child, what will do? Here I want to tell you one thing. Any child
Yes, ma'am.
who born in any kind of family or any kind of mother tongue is around him, that child will definitely learn that mother tongue eventually by listening to his
Yes.
parents, his surrounding. So it is like that only. Even though you don't learn the basic grammar, if you are in that surrounding, right? That time also you can learn the language,
Yes.
speaking. But when it comes to writing,
Yes, ma'am.
that time grammar is really very very important. As you said, if you start
Yes, ma'am. Writing.
broken English is good to start. It is really well said, sir. Even though you should have that confidence to improve yourself, then even though you speak the broken English, people will definitely understand you. You should have that guts
Understand
to
and
speak that
make
language.
fun of you.
Yeah, let it be,
So be
let
patient.
people make fun. No issue about it. If you
Yes.
want to learn that, if you have taken that plunge, then you have to face each and everything, because if there is a will, there is a way, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, you are right, ma'am. So, ma'am, I want to say that you are very fluent in this language. How long you have been learning this language?
As you, I'm totally resonate with you, and likewise I have feelings, same feelings, that since long time we are learning this language, right? We are
Yes,
thorough with our basic grammar, but when it comes to speaking, because of
yes, ma'am.
our surrounding, even I, since my childhood I'm surrounded by the Marathi people. My friends were Marathi, everything was Marathi only. So I never ever think about it that I would learn this language, right? But some things triggered me. Like first of all, I've taught my children. They both are both were, one is right now is learning. He's in 8th, and the elder one, he is now in 11th. So they did their schooling in convent school. So their English is very nice, and I took their whole study. I was only taking. So because of them, my grammar was really very good because of their by teaching them. But again, the but speaking part was not there. Though we three of us used to speak in English, but not much. Then
Okay,
I started my phonic classes. There I am teaching primary students or the students who are means are not aware about this language. I make them learn to reading, not speaking. But still, I try to speak them. But when I visited few countries a few years back, that time this was the only language I could converse with the people. I was aware about this language, I knew it, but when it came to break the ice, when it came to start the subject, initiate the subject, it was difficult for me, right? So that time
yes,
this thing triggered me, struck me a lot like a thunderbolt, that though I know this language but I'm not speaking it, then what use of my learning? So I started this journey last year, but I was not at all consistent. Since January, I am consistent, and in April, I've started my channel. Though I was not consistent in May because there was vacation time, my children were enjoying their vacation, my husband was here, so we truly celebrating our vacation. So since June,
okay,
I've started it, but yes, I was on and off, but still I was trying myself each and every day. I was not
okay,
drifting apart. I was not letting my working on this journey speaking stopping. So I was trying to do this and that thing. I was connected with. I'm connected with one group. Whenever I got get time, I try to connect them. But because of homemaker and mother to two sons, many things are there on my plate. So it is a bit difficult for me to connect with people. But now I have made compulsion myself to connect with one or two people, that too on the conversation call, video call like this. So I've started
yes,
my YouTube channel, and it is really very useful when we speak face to face, right? Our confidence enhance.
yes, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. Basically, it's like your good decision to start your YouTube channel because if you want to consistent in this with this language, you can start your YouTube channel and you can easily be consistent because YouTube's algorithm simply like if you do daily if you upload daily videos, he will automatically show the videos to the audience. So that
Definitely,
thing
yes.
in mind, and you will upload the daily videos. And if for uploading daily videos, you definitely record the video, and you will if
Yes,
you record the video, so you practice and you become
yes, yes, yes. It
uh,
now means because of YouTube, our speaking skill, which is
yes,
enhancing, it is a byproduct, right?
yeah, yes, yes. So it's
Yes.
a like good initiative. And so, ma'am, your child is like elder one. You are saying he like speaking in English. So, like he learned from you or college something else.
As you say, as I said, sir, I told you that both are from the convent school, my sons.
Okay,
So because of the school and atmosphere, they speak really well. But when they come to
okay,
home, they don't like to speak.
okay. But
They
I
like,
think they have the opportunity to learn from you, like
Yes,
if
yes,
you are fluent
yes,
in this language, and they can learn easily from you, like they got the environment in college, and if they get the same environment in home, so they easily and like they easily improve your improve this communication skill.
yes, yes. Well said, sir. Actually, I completely agree with you. Because of that only means they are always stand out. Wherever we go, they always stand out. My both the sons. Actually, the way
Right.
I have taught them means I used to compel that thing in my house. Where at least whenever we study, that time three of us should speak in English.
Yes.
It was the compulsion from my side, and I used to teach them in that language only. I used to make them
Yes.
understand each and everything by this language. I didn't never used Marathi or Hindi. Yeah, means sometimes it comes, it no doubt about it, there is no brainer, but I mostly I try to prefer this language that time. And thank you very much, you made me to recall those days.
Yes, yes, no problem. But basically, the English learning, is not a big thing. It's just like a cup of tea, just to take the initiative. And early, some month, like 6 or 7 months, you feel uncomfortable with this language and you feel struggle. But after that, you will like automatically feel comfortable and fluent in this language. So
Yes,
most
yes.
of the people is think about it's a very difficult thing and they cannot do this, but it's not a difficult thing.
Yes, very, very, very true, sir. Actually, whenever you immerse yourself into the
Okay,
thing which you want to like, want to do.
ma'am,
Hello?
are you
I think you're
am I audible?
facing problems. So you're audible, but your picture is stuck. And now it's okay. Now it's okay. Now it's okay. As you said, yes, people, what people think,
Your voice
they
sometimes broken.
is breaking.
Okay.
Now is it good? Hello? Am I audible, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Now
Hmm.
it's better.
Okay. So what I was saying that yes, people what they want to
Yes, yes, ma'am.
boil the ocean.
Yes, ma'am. You are audible.
Okay.
Okay, continue,
People
please.
what people think they will going to do this within a couple of days or couple of weeks or might be few months, but it is not that easy task
Yeah,
to
yeah,
learn
ma'am.
any language.
Continue, please. Continue.
Uh, I'm continuing, sir. I'm continuing. I can easily I can hear your voice. Right now I can't.
Yes.
Speak something. Yes, yes. Now I can. Now you're visible and audible too.
Yes, ma'am.
Uh,
I also hear your voice, but your voice plugged.
okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Continue, please.
Huh. So what I was saying, people think that they can achieve it within few days or few weeks or months. It is not like that. If you give your heart and soul to it, any language, I don't say about only English. It might be any language. If you give your heart and soul to it, if you
Yes.
immerse yourself into this language for the long time, then only you can learn this. Because giving up is like putting off your goal, right? Delaying your goal.
Yeah.
So
Yes,
if you
ma'am.
want to achieve anything, you have to be consistent. And see that learning or mastering is like I would definitely say every time that it's a byproduct. Enjoy your journey and don't quit in between your journey, because and always
Yes,
think
ma'am.
about your why did you start it, and your why always keep
Yes.
you closer to your goal.
Yes, ma'am. And if you are consistent, you can definitely achieve your goal, whatever, like you are learning some new language and whatever you want in this, like in this world. So it's
Anything,
totally
sir.
anything. It's totally depend on your consistency and hard work. So, ma'am, how like which countries you are visited, and in future, if you got a chance, so where you want to go in or the outside country or in India?
The country I visited is Nicaragua. It's in America. It's a Spanish
Okay.
country, and one more I visited. It's US, USA.
Okay.
So
So
yeah,
I think you are
my
same fluency in Spanish or not?
no, not at all. Now my next goal is Spanish. My next
Okay.
goal is Spanish. I want to learn Spanish as well.
Okay.
And if you, I mean, as you say, asking me that where I want to visit. So I
Yes.
visited Singapore, but I again want to visit Singapore.
Mhm.
Yes.
Good. Okay, ma'am. So, and thank God your answering is not like I want to go Switzerland because most of the YouTuber want to go Switzerland. I don't know
No,
what
no.
like in Switzerland, but all of you want to go Switzerland, Switzerland. So you are
I don't know. I'm not at all fascinated about it. I'm fascinated about Singapore because I visited it. I have
yes,
already visited it. So I want to explore it more. But yes, before that, I want to explore India more.
yeah. So,
Yes.
ma'am, in your state, like which language is mother tongue, Marathi or Hindi?
Marathi. I'm from Maharashtra, so our mother tongue is Marathi.
Okay.
Yes.
So, like, give me a suggestion if in future I want to, I come in India. So, which place I go must one time? Like, have any specific place in your bucket? Like, is the best place for visitor like that thing?
Visit. Okay, visit in India. There are many. But which I would like to visit, it is Kailash Temple. It's in Maharashtra only, Aurangabad. Kailash
Okay.
Temple is there, and many more are there. So it's like a never-ending list. Even I like to visit
Okay.
Kashmir. I would like to visit. I have visited Nainital, Himachal. I have visited, but I want to visit it again. And then I want to visit
Okay.
Darjeeling. And I'm from the coastal area actually. And if you want to come if you are going to come India, so you definitely visit Goa and Maharashtra. So in Maharashtra, our Konkan is really very beautiful, full of beaches, and I would definitely say that you must watch it, you must visit that place. Konkan, it's full of beaches and the scenery is
Okay.
way
Ma'am,
beautiful.
so,
Yes
ma'am,
sir.
what's your opinion related Chandigarh? I see. What's your opinion related to Chandigarh? I watch many movies. Like most of the people want to go Chandigarh, Chandigarh. Like have any specific place just for say movie purpose? Just he, he was like very famous.
Yes, actually, in Indian movies, Bollywood industry is the most active industry, right? So, and the people who are from the Bollywood industry, they are mostly from the North India, from Punjab and all that
Okay.
northern parts, right? So, definitely they would like to explore, like to show their cities or their places, right? So that's why I would say that Chandigarh and
Okay.
Punjab, these all things are what's it they got? They are like they have got more exposure on Bollywood, and that's why people are most fascinated about Chandigarh and all. Even Chandigarh is in my bucket list. I would like to visit Punjab and Amritsar for the temple, Golden Temple. That is also in my bucket list. But
Yes.
I don't think so. Means it is that means what say that is the place I would like to visit most. I would like to visit all over the places all over the India. South is also really very beautiful. That part also you would visit. You should visit. I would say Kanyakumari and then
Okay.
many part from South. Rameshwaram is there. So I am very close to South part.
How far? Okay. So, ma'am, how far from your far Chandigarh from your home, and your state?
I am from Maharashtra. If I take flight from Mumbai, then it will take 2 hours by
Okay,
flight.
so by buses or by road something, so it's
Road
take
I don't know,
more
sir,
than
but
2 hours.
by train, I think you it might be 1.5 day for Chandigarh. Might be. I don't know about it. I don't have any idea about it. But for Delhi,
Okay.
if you catch train for Delhi, in if you catch 11 o'clock in the morning, so for then tomorrow 11 o'clock in the morning you can reach Delhi.
So,
So
ma'am,
from there,
my last question is for our audience. So, what kind of practices beginner do to improve their English communication skill? Have any specific practices you can suggest for our beginners?
okay. So I would like to give that mantra to them, that is mystic, which is consistency, first of all. Right? Am I audible, sir?
Okay.
Huh. First
Yes,
of
you
all,
are audible and
consistency,
visible.
and always stick to your goal. And when you start your journey, don't quit it. And as you start the journey, as
Okay.
you are the beginner, so go with basic grammar, then go with the vocabulary, because vocabulary is really very very important. Start with the vocabulary. The vocabulary means the things surrounded by, means whatever you are surrounded by. Start to work upon that. Start to explore that vocabulary first. Basic grammar, then start with small sentences, right? Then go for the big
Okay.
sentences, right? And try to be consistent. Try to set out a time, initially 10 to 20 minutes. Then when you will fall in love of this language, then you will going to increase your time, and eventually you will
Okay.
try to explore it. Once you start with basic grammar, your basic vocabulary, then go with the basic sentences, your daily sentences. Try to describe your working, whatever you are working in a day, whatever your routine. Try to describe that. Take any
Okay.
topic,
So I think
take
the
any
main
object.
thing is like consistency.
Main thing is the consistency. You will definitely
Consistency.
get the way, right?
Okay.
So destination,
So
you know.
okay. So be consistent, and apart from that, you ask about some practices do, and he will definitely improve their language. I'm right, man?
Definitely. Yes. And one more thing I would like to share here, sir, that
Hmm.
before quitting, as I earlier said, think about your why, and don't try to boil ocean at once. Don't try to do this and that. I'll do this. I'll go for the idioms. I'll go for the phrasal verbs. I'll go for the advanced vocabulary. No. Take baby steps, one by one, then you will enhance your skill. Otherwise,
Oh,
there is a saying, master jack of everything, but master of none. Right?
okay. Man, thank you very much. We already have 30 plus minutes, so have any other question, or we can wrap
No,
up
sir.
our session?
Yes, sir. Yes, we can wrap up, and it was really very nice conversation, very nice
Okay,
session.
ma'am.
I was really very excited to talk with you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, no problem. And same from my side. It's a wonderful conversation. I enjoyed very well. And one more thing, ma'am, you're very fluent in this language,
Oh, thank
and
you very much,
hopefully
sir.
the same fluency get in the Spanish. So, and we will,
Thanks a lot.
yes, and we will schedule the session again, maybe in next or upcoming week. So please
Yes,
be
sure,
her
sir, sure.
our channel.
I'm
So
eagerly
thank
waiting
you.
for that.
Yes,
Definitely.
ma'am. So thank you, ma'am, for giving me time, and take care and bye bye.
Yes, thanks, sir. Bye bye.
Okay.